welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my low sleek bun. It is like 7:30 in the morning and I'm getting ready to go to a worship experience here in the city that I live in. It's always good to go to different events and support the move of God, and I'm super excited. Hopefully it doesn't rain because it looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm like, God, just pass the rain for today. Let it just wait until this is over, but we'll see anyway. First and foremost, let me put some chapstick on because honey, so that's a little bit better. All right, you guys, so I always come to you like this because this is raw truth about how I look in the morning. Take it or leave it, okay? So we are just starting off with about a week-old wash and go. It is still pretty defined in the back areas. These areas up here, they just do what they want to do. First step, I'm going to just section my hair off because with my low sleek buns, I like to do one whole section in the back and these two sections separately, just so I'm not having to deal with so much hair at one time. And we're just gonna take that clip and clip it back like so, or out of our way. Now we're just going to be working with this back section here. Now the tools that I use before we go on is going to be a hard bristle brush. I got this one from Sally's Beauty Supply store, and it has like a hard bristle to it, which I like is to get it really sleek. And this one is a Denman brush or an ion brush, but it's equivalent to a Denman brush. And these are great bristles for kind of detangling the hair as I go like so. And we are using rubber bands. These are Goody Ouchless rubber bands, so they won't take out the hair. I don't know about that, but these are the ones that I'm using for today. And then I'm using my Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel that I like. It's extremely moisturizing. If you guys are looking for a gel, then I'm just going to be using water, water bottle or spray bottle, whichever one you have works perfectly fine. And I don't know, I have this, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. First step is water. Water is the best moisturizer. Just making sure it's not spraying straight. It's a more of a mist spray. Okay, and we just want to work this in all throughout the hair, just getting it moisturized. Because again, water is moisture. If you guys don't know that, now you do. Taking this brush here, and we're just going to brush. We're not going all the way down because we're not gonna do that. And this side here too. Now that that's done and my hair is like shrinking up as we speak, we're going in with our black flaxseed or black castor oil flaxseed gel. I'm saying that so wrong. Again, the water that I put in is my moisturizer, quote unquote, and this is just going to be like my sealant. So I'm going to take, I am pretty heavy handed because I want my bun sleek. I'm going to take this, it's on my hands now, and I'm just going to place this on the back section of my hair, like so. Now I'm just taking this hard bristle brush, bristle brush, and combing it all down nice and neat and smooth. Alrighty. Now the fun part, tying it, and I'm being sarcastic. Alright, so we're taking our scrunchie And all we're gonna do is go around 2 times. 1 and 2. Do we need a third one? Here, let's try for a third one. Yep, we could do a third one. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna turn around so I can show you guys how it looks in the back. This is how it looks in the back. Sleek. And then we still have our puff because we didn't really manipulate that. And yeah. Alright, you guys. So now we're gonna work on our top sections. We're gonna take our water spray bottle to saturate again. Don't be scared to comb. I'm not combing all the way down. And also, I'm just saturating it with water because I do have products in my hair already, and the water just helps it to kind of revive what's already in my hair. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing to this section here. Woof, the water is cold. The water's cold, you guys. Alright. And then we're going to take a brush. Ooh. This brush is like extremely hard, but I like it for this particular style. And we might do 2 or 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Woo! So I'm gonna take my mousse. This is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Mousse. And we're just gonna put this all over our hair or the back of our hair, just so it's not completely dried out. You can add some water too to it, but I'm not gonna add any water. Alright, we're going to be taking our gel again, and we're just going to focus this right on the edge line of our hair. So it's already really sleek, but I'm just taking and just doing a little bit of something, not too much, just a little bit. Now we're gonna take a little piece out from the side and just curl that under. I'm quiet right now because I'm concentrating on my edges. So you guys, that is pretty much the whole entire look. That is the sides of it, this side of it. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. I still have my little poof puff. And yes, you guys, super simple. One of my favorite styles to do when I'm like, honey, I don't know what to do with all this hair. But it's extremely simple. You don't need much. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I showed you what you we're going to need to achieve this style. Let me show you guys the back. So I'm gonna take this scarf and put it over my hair. And yes, you guys, that's it. That is the look. So yes, again, I'm gonna sit under the dryer and I will be back with the final look. Peace.